Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to take a screenshot of your Go Math pages and then go put it into Show Me so you can work on it that way instead of having to write every question down. So, I'm going to start by going into the Google Classroom. Okay, and then you have probably like 3 or 4 pages, so just make sure you're on Hall 1920. Okay, I'm going to go down to one of our days with our assignments. Okay, I'm going to choose Go Math page 585. So what you can do is you can take a screenshot of this. So that means you're going to take that middle button, the home button, and then the button at the top also. And you're going to click on them. Let me get this turned back around. Okay, and you're going to click on them at the same time. And then it takes a picture. Okay, so now, get out of that, and you're going to go to Show Me. Okay. Oh. Okay. So then you'll be on a blank page on Show Me. You're going to click on the little picture right there, and then choose Photo. And then you'll just go to all your pictures. And then your picture that you took, your screenshot will be right there. You're going to click on it, and then all you have to do is say done, and then it's there as your background. And then you can look at the questions. How many children chose the T-Rex? So after you make it, ask 10 people, or you can make it up. So I'll just make it up real quick. Okay, so I just made it up real quick. So how many children chose the T-Rex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can just put 5 there and answer it. And then when you're done and you've got it all done, you can do another screen.